Hello there, it's your girl Daphne back for another video. This time I'm going to be doing an extreme deep clean of my refrigerator. When I say extreme deep clean, I really mean it. Okay, so we're just going to jump right on in here. I'm going to be emptying out all of the food and drinks and all the items in my refrigerator. I'm just going to be putting them on the counter so I can sort through them before I put everything back after I finish cleaning. So I thought my refrigerator was under control, that maybe I had a couple of spills here and there, but I had no idea the extent of the crumbs and spills that had occurred in my refrigerator. You'll be surprised. First, I thought, oh, it's not too bad, just has a little bit of crumbs, but it gets worse. I had no idea that this section of the refrigerator actually can pull out and let alone come completely out. Can you see all of the crumbs that I had in my refrigerator? I'm so embarrassed. So now that I'm laying myself bare for everyone to see what was going on in my refrigerator, I want to know if I'm not the only person. Did any of you know that every single compartment in the refrigerator can be taken out? Let me know. Comment down in the comment section if you knew that all the compartments can come out. Okay, so I'm just giving you a quick look to see all the food that's on the counters that I'm gonna start going through, and anything that's expired I'm gonna throw away, or anything that we're not gonna eat, I'm just gonna get rid of. I had no idea that it was going to take this long. I've literally been doing this for over 2 hours. So now I'm at the point where I'm loading back in all of the food. And of course, as I'm doing it, the light keeps going on and off because you're not supposed to have the refrigerator door open this long. So while I'm doing this, my husband is at Costco's doing our 2 week shopping. So it's a good thing that I'm cleaning and clearing this out because we're about to fill this back up again. So there you have it. That's my extreme deep clean of my refrigerator. I want to thank you for watching, and I ask that you please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And remember to turn the notification bell on so you'll know each time that I upload a video. Till next time, have a blessed day.